Hey bosses, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Lite booking pages versus full booking pages and what the differences are between them. For every booking type that you create, whether it's appointments, products, or services, you'll get both a Lite version and a full version. You can copy the link from here or just click to preview either one. Let's start with the full page. This shows the complete experience built for that specific product or service, and it includes everything. Testimonials, FAQs, basically all the content that you've added, it's the full package. Now let's look at the Lite page. You typically use this when working with an existing client. For example, if you're just setting up a quick 30-minute call, the Lite page strips everything down to just the essentials: who it's with, how long it'll be, and the calendar. That's it, no extra content, just the booking. And that's the key difference between Lite and full pages. Hope that clears things up.